Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kumar. I am an intern in MIT Technology. During this internship, I built a project on IoT based home automation. Now I present a presentation on IoT based home automation. Let's begin the presentation. These are the content of the project. During the internship, we study on a topic which including C+ and C++ programming. Now, IoT and embedded system. C programming, we study on the basic data types, conditional structures, and looping concept arrays, pointer functions, storage classes, pre-process directives, and header files. Now, in C++ programming, we study on the basic OOP concepts in which the introduction of IoT, introduction to embedded system, and the peripheral. These are the peripherals required for the project. What is peripheral? The peripheral are the internal and external device that direct contact to the computer. In the peripheral, we need these devices, the LDR sensor, the temperature sensor, and the serial tank. Let's see what is IoT, the Internet of Things. In simply words, we describe the physical objects that contain the embedded technology to communicate. Now, let's see what is embedded system. Any combination of hardware and software which is designed for a specific task. It's called as embedded system. This is the embedded system architecture. Now let's see the project requirements. The control guidance lights on the basis of sunlight intensity. The temperature system control, the water tank control. These are the components required for the project. In hardware, we required the Arduino UNO ETHW5500, PCF 8574, temperature sensor, the LCD HD44780, the LDR sensor, the LED. In software requirement, the Arduino IDE to code, the PCM lab for simulation, null modem emulator, Blink IoT app for cloud server. Now let's see what is Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO is a microcontroller board which is based on 80 Mega 328P. Now this is Arduino UNO board. Now let's see what is ETHW5500. It is Ethernet. It is hardwired TCP and input embedded Ethernet controller that provide easier internet connection to the embedded system. It supports power down mode. It supports on the wake on LAN over UPT, support higher speed serial peripheral interface. Now let's see what is PCF 8574. It is silicon CMOS circuit. That device consists of 8-bit gauge bidirectional port and 12C bus interface. It provides general purpose remote input-output expansion for most controller familiar via the line two-line bidirectional bus. Now let's see what is temperature sensor. A temperature sensor is an electronics device that measures the temperature of any device. Now see what is LCD. LCD is a liquid crystal display controller which display any numeric and alphabetic values of device. Now see what is LDR sensor. LDR sensor is a light dependent sensor. Now, now here the screen of Arduino IDE. There the code are written for cooler to on or off. Now in the screen, here's the code heater for on or off control. Now in this picture, to take the reading of in this picture the code for temperature reading. Here the code for to control the blink app. Here the code for to control the device by blink app. Now here now here Now here comes the implementation. These are the output screenshots. This is the first step we need to load the hex file. Here is the LED screenshot. The LDR is high, so the LED is on. In this screenshot, the LDR is low, the LED is off. This is the screenshot of cooler. When the cooler is on. This is the screenshot of the cooler is off. In this picture, the heater is on. In this screenshot, the heater will off. Here, the inlet valve is on. In this screenshot, the inlet valve is off. In this screenshot, the outlet valve is on. In this screenshot, the outlet valve is off. Now here's the conclusion. We're using the Blink IoT application and Pixim Lab simulate the home automation where the LED, temperature, cereal tank resemble light, heaters, coolers and water tank are controlled in real time. Here, the Arduino IDE display. First of all, we are including the required header files, then library init. Then we are writing authentication code of which are by the blink call out, the initializing the variable, declaring at, and we are including the library we are required. Here, the cooler VPN function defined to control the cooler to on or off by using the mobile app. The LCD display will display the cooler is on or off. Similarly, come to the heater VPN. Here the code for control the heater. When the heater is on, the display LCD display show the heater is on, and the heater is off, the display show the heater is off. Now here the inlet VPN flow of water tank, whether the tank is on. The Similarly the VPN flow of tank is on or off, whether the tank is flow or off. Here the outlet VPN will show when the tank is full and the inlet valve is off. Here the update temperature reading the help of full stove. Read the through blink app. We check the valve of temperature is increasing or decreasing. Here the temperature handling. This will check the heater temperature is above than 35 per degree. Then the will turn off the heater. Similarly, the notification will appear on the mobile app. The heater will off because of temperature exceeding the 35 degree. This will mention the tank volume of less than 2000 volume. The inlet valve is off and the inlet valve is on and the tank is flow. Similarly, there the tank volume is 3000. If the inlet valve is on, then the valve will be off. The flow, the water tank will be stopped. That will be show on the display. The inlet valve is off. Look at the simulation part. The project consists of blinking of LED by LDR. When we low down, the resistor, the LED is off. When we increase the resistance, the LED is on. And the other part can be controlled by the mobile app. When we click on the cooler by mobile app, the cooler will on. When we click off the cooler will off. When we click on the heater will on, the temperature show on the display. When the temperature increasing with the 35 degree, the heater will off. Now see the tank over here. If we keep the inlet on, the tank will fill. Once the tank fill, it automatically stop. Click on the outlet valve, the tank will decrease. Here the display show the outlet is on. When it decreases below the 2000, the inlet will on. When we off the outlet, the tank will fill once 3000, the inlet will be off. So basically in this internship we have completed the project which is based on the home automation. Thank you.